some fun, and we got this thing to pass smog. It's not easy to do with these old Volkswagens, and you want to stay tuned. I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so what we have is a Dune buggy with a 1641 motor on it, and we got it to pass smog by doing a few things. Let me show you what we did. Number one is distributor, and you'll have to turn it to the left, but before you do that, be sure you mark it exactly where it is so that when you're all done you can put it back. And then what you're going to do is just turn it to the left a little bit, like a quarter of an inch, and then that's going to make your idle go down so low that it won't hardly run. So then you have to set your idle up, and then we're going to do the next thing that we do, and that is on the back side of this carburetor. Back in the back is a screw facing out this way, and you have to turn that screw, and that is the lean air mixture, and we're going to lean it out, and there again we're going to screw it in tighter until the thing won't run, and then adjust your idle again so that it brings the idle up and you can barely make this thing run. And I'm telling you, when we went in to get this thing smogged, it was spitting and coughing and backfiring and carrying on, but it passed the smog after we did these things. First we tried it without these things and it wouldn't pass. We went in 3 times. Finally, after we did all that, it passed. Boy, did it sound horrible, but it passed. So then when we got done and out of there, we came home, we put everything back the way it was, and we're good. Hey, just to explain, if you adjust your car to pass smog, and then legally you're not supposed to put it back to where it won't pass smog if you're on the highways, on the road. However, if you have an off-road dune buggy and you need it to be legal just enough to drive it to an off-road place that you're going to play, once you get off the road, you can take the license off, you don't have to have a smog, you can fix it any old way you want. So this is for you guys just to be legal and don't get in trouble. When you're on the road, you're supposed to be able to pass smog, to have a license. When you're off-road, you can put it back however you want.